Hello friends! Welcome to Crazy Srimanta. We'll improve our English speaking skills and learn something new. So if you're ready, stay with me until the end. Now, let's get started.
What happened, Bruno? You never stop like this. Or smell something,
Wait, this wasn't here before. It's so old, but it looks untouched. Look at these strange symbols. Bruno, I think we found something important.
That's impossible. It shouldn't move by itself. I've never seen anything like this. It's pointing somewhere. Maybe it's trying to lead us. Arjun, you look like you've discovered a secret. I'm not sure what this is. Then let's figure it out together. This forest feels peaceful, but strangely changed direction once. Then we should trust where it's leading us.
Stay close. We don't know what's waiting ahead.
Did you feel that? The wind changed all of a sudden.
Yeah, it's almost like the forest is trying to tell us something.
It's a little strange, but I don't feel scared.
Let's stay focused and keep moving.
These markings are old, much older than I expected.
Someone wanted travelers to find this place.
Or maybe to warn them.
Whatever the reason, we're about to find out.
These footprints are much bigger than mine. They're fresh. Whatever made them pass through recently. Look at the depth. Let's keep our eyes open and stay together. I've never seen a butterfly glow like that.
It doesn't seem afraid of us.
Maybe it's showing us the right way.
Then let's follow it for a while. This place feels older than anything we've seen.
Every stone looks like it has its own story.
The compass is pointing straight through the arch.
Then our path is becoming clearer.
Take it slow. These rocks are slippery.
Don't worry, I've got a good balance.
Bruno crossed like a professional.
I think he's enjoying this adventure even more than we are. The wind almost sounds like music here.
This place feels incredibly peaceful.
I could stay here all day.
Let's remember every moment of this journey.
I've never seen a tree this enormous.
It feels alive, almost like it's welcoming us.
Even the compass seems calmer here.
There's definitely something behind the waterfall. I can see a blue light inside the cave. The compass is glowing brighter now. Let's stay careful and keep observing. These symbols match the ones connected them long ago. Every mark seems to tell part of a story. We just have to understand it.
The platform is responding to the compass.
These symbols must work together.
Everything here was built with a purpose.
Let's figure it out step by step.
The pillars are moving, but very slowly.
They're not random, there's a pattern.
The compass reacts every time they align.
Let's keep watching before we do anything. These crystals are incredible. It's like the cave is glowing from within. No wonder this place stayed hidden. Every step reveals something new. This isn't just a compass. It's showing us the entire forest. Now we finally understand its purpose. Let's remember every landmark we can. These books have been here for generations. Someone worked hard to preserve this knowledge. Every shelf feels like a piece of history.
Let's treat everything here with respect.
These paintings tell a story without using words. Is exactly like our compass. Whoever created this wanted future travelers to understand. Every picture feels connected. I never imagined a place like this could exist underground. It's beautiful.
Everything here feels peaceful. Let's take a moment to appreciate it. This bridge has stood here for centuries.
And it's still incredibly strong.
The people who built this were true masters.
Everything looks so different in here. It's like the cave is made of light. Even Bruno found a new friend.
This place is unforgettable.
These star markings match the compass perfectly. It's amazing how everything connects.
This journey keeps answering old questions and giving us even bigger ones. This waterfall is absolutely beautiful.
It feels like we've stepped into another world.
Everything here is so calm.
I've never seen plants glow like this.
Nature always finds a way to surprise us.
This bridge feels alive.
And somehow it feels safe. Almost like living stars.
This place feels full of hope.
I don't want to forget this moment.
Neither do I.
We're definitely getting higher. And these symbols keep appearing along the way. The compass still points straight ahead. Then let's keep following it. Wow, we can see the whole forest from here.
I've never seen our village look this small.
Imagine how far that compass has taken us.
And we're not even at the destination yet. Watch your step. The trail gets narrower here.
I'm fine. Just don't walk too fast.
You're right. We have plenty of time.
Good, because Bruno clearly isn't in a hurry either.
Someone used this tower a long time ago.
Look at these marks on the wood. They might have been watching the forest from here. Maybe they were looking for the same place we're searching for. There are 3 paths. Which one should we take?
The compass should give us a clue.
It's pointing slightly toward the middle path.
Then we'll follow the middle one. The compass is pointing straight across this meadow.
It's beautiful up here.
Yeah, the air feels completely
Bruno
different.
definitely agrees with you. Stay close. The path is getting really narrow. I'm right behind you. Just watch your footing. I am. You keep your eyes on the compass. Look at the water. It's flowing toward that passage.
And the compass is pointing the same way.
So we're still on the right track.
Looks like nature is helping us.
I think we should rest here for a while.
Good idea. We've covered a lot of ground today.
Bruno already looks ready for a long nap.
Honestly, I think we all are.
Today felt like 3 days packed into one.
I know, but somehow, I'm not tired of it.
Neither am I. I'm just curious about what's ahead.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Have you ever wondered how many stories these stars have seen?
Probably more than we'll ever know.
Maybe our adventure is part of one too.
I'd like to think so. That sunrise was worth waking up early for.
Definitely.
Ready for another day? Absolutely.
What's the compass saying? Straight ahead. So let's keep going.
These stones don't look natural.
You're right. Someone built this road.
And it goes much deeper into the forest.
Then we're probably getting closer.
Someone must have lived here. Look at the size of the house. Maybe the people who made the road stayed here. Let's see if we can find any clues outside first. This looks like a place where someone built things by hand. And these scratches are surprisingly deep for more than ordinary work. Let's look carefully. There might be something useful here.
Maya, look at this symbol.
That's the same one on your compass. So this box was connected to the journey somehow. Let's examine it carefully before touching anything else. Wait, there's a line here.
You're right. Something was covered here.
Is it part of the floor?
Maybe. Let's uncover more. It's a complete circle with symbols all around it.
And this one matches the compass exactly.
Maybe this isn't just a decoration.
Then let's figure out what the pattern means.
There are 4 symbols around the dial.
They look like directions.
The compass is pointing toward one of them. Then we should remember exactly which one.
The compass is pointing toward the stream.
Maybe the old road followed the water.
That would make sense for travelers.
Then let's follow it and see where it leads. The forest is getting much denser.
Stay close. I don't want us to lose the trail.
Bruno seems pretty confident about where he's going.
Let's trust him for now and keep following the compass.
Look at that arch. It can't be natural.
You're right. There are carvings underneath the moss.
This road must have been important.
Let's see what the symbols are trying to tell us. There are 3 animals, a wolf, an eagle, and a deer, and each one has different symbols around it. Which one matches the compass?
None of them exactly. We need to look closer.
Wait, I found something.
That symbol looks exactly like the compass.
So the eagle might be the next clue.
Then we need to understand what the eagle represents. Look, there's another eagle symbol.
And another one farther ahead. They're guiding us along the trail.
Then let's follow them.
The trail is getting steeper.
I noticed. Good thing there are plenty of roots to hold.
Take your time.
I'm right behind you. There really are eagles living here. Maybe that's why the symbol kept pointing us this way. Do you see anything unusual around the nest?
Not yet. Let's look around the rocks.
Maya, there's something carved under this feather.
I almost missed it.
This pattern looks familiar.
This pattern looks familiar. Compare it with your compass. There's an arrow underneath the dirt, and it's pointing between those rocks. Do you think there's another trail back there?
The compass seems to agree. It's definitely a passage.
And look, there's an old path beyond it.
So the trail didn't end at the ridge.
It was hidden here the whole time.
The old bridge isn't usable anymore.
There are stones across the stream.
We can probably cross using those.
Let's take it slowly. The rocks look slippery. These stones are slippery.
Take your time. There's no need to rush.
Bruno already made it across.
Of course he did. He makes everything look easy.
These stones are slippery. Take your time. There's no need to rush. Bruno already made it across.
Of course he did. He makes everything look easy.
There are even more eagle markers here.
And they're all pointing uphill.
So the trail is definitely intentional.
Let's keep following it.
I didn't expect a staircase here.
It looks like it goes all the way up the mountain.
The compass is still pointing upward.
Then I guess we're climbing.
We finally made it out of the forest.
And the compass is still pointing forward.
This place feels completely different.
Maybe we're getting very close now.
There's another eagle symbol here.
So this tower was part of the same trail.
Maybe someone used it to watch the valley.
Let's see if there's anything left inside.
This place has been abandoned for years. But someone left drawings on the wall. Do you recognize any of those symbols? Not yet. Give me a second. Look at this mountain in the drawing.
It's different from the others.
And there's a path leading straight toward it.
Let's compare it with the compass. There it is, the mountain from the drawing.
And the compass is pointing directly toward it.
So that's where the trail ends.
Then that's where we need to go. Do you think we'll find what we're looking for?
I don't know.
Then why are you smiling?
Because the best part of an adventure is discovering what's next.
That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the next video too. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye.